Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word transverse. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The ultrasound technician performed a transverse scan of the patient's abdomen to identify any potential issues with the liver. Transverse is used to describe something that is positioned or oriented horizontally or perpendicular to a specified axis or direction. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.